Come with us to Rehoboth Beach in Delaware. So we decided this year to head to the beach for a 2-night, 3-day little vacation. And this is us finally arriving in Rehoboth, Delaware. And this is the place we stayed in. It's called Sands, Atlantic Sands. And yeah, let's take a little mini tour, if you will. This is right outside the hotel, which is pretty cool. Like, we were right on the beach. Shout out to my mom for a great location. Restaurant right under the hotel, basically. Everything is like on each other, basically. So yeah, that's the lobby. And this is us going into the rooms. I really like the setup. It definitely gives beach house vibes. Very cozy. And look at the view. This was our view. It's crazy. Like, so nice and relaxing. Every day was a nice day. Not too hot, not too cold, and no rain. And this is our room, and my sister's checking out the balcony. And then of course we had the wood balcony. Like, if you're new here, I'm a personality. If you've been here, I'm a personality. So yeah, and I'm gonna just keep showing y'all these views because I miss it. Actually, look at it. This is real. Okay, now I have my bathing suit on because we're actually going to head over to the beach. This is around like 6 o'clock, and it was like, you know what, why not? We was been supposed to get to that beach at least by 3, but we're here now, and we're cute. Again, more views, but this is my mommy's balcony, so that's my mommy. Alright, and literally, like I said, our hotel's on the boardwalk, basically, so we walked over to the beach. And I have like a love-hate relationship when it comes to beaches, especially in regards to like family and sand, because it's so much. I get so overstimulated trying to figure everything out, but we got through it. Other than that, it did actually make me see the value in going to the beach every now and again. It definitely was healing to the body and to my soul and my spirit. Seeing my mom happy and joyous, seeing my kids explore nature, especially my son, because he was so embracing of all the stimulations. He was sensory seeking for sure. And then just me and my sister doing what me and my sister do best, and that's embracing an experience to the full extent. So that water was initially cold that night because, again, it was like heading into 7-8 o'clock. But we was like, we're gonna make best of it because we're here. So I had her do some modeling. Look at her. She has such a small torso, model runway like body. Me, I'm like slim, curvy. I got a little chunk in certain areas. But yeah, it's giving I'm everyone. And then I run from the water like crazy. You see, like, my son's actually embracing the water. Like, I don't know if I could do that, especially knowing that it was cool. But y'all, pay attention to this. This is funny as hell. It was giving the saxophones. It was funny in that moment too. Like, I felt bad because it's my sister, but it was so funny. I like dark humor, in satire, so sorry. But yeah. Look at my yaya. One thing I find really cool about the beaches, like being in the water, is that you move with the sand, which is also scary because it pulls you into the water, but at the same time, it's cool. This is my sister still reacting. Selfie time. Again, sensory seeking, but this time it's my sister. She's in model mode / sensory seeking mode. Y'all, my hat almost got destroyed because it fell off her head and then the water took it in. But we got it and it's with me now. Sandcastle time. We live and we learn. So yeah, back to working the beach. Work it, work it. We gotta work it, work it. Yeah. Watching the family have fun, because there's many moments I'm just like observing with my camera. It was very good. It warmed my heart and my soul. My skin is still soft from that beach. The exfoliation is real. Oh, look at them having fun. So cute. So cute. This is actually a really funny part, so yeah, watch it. Meanwhile, my son is like, yay! I'm getting overstimulated by the minute. Like, it was fun, but I definitely was having anxiety attacks. So my son literally created this little sandcastle thing, and as she stood still, and then we put a shell on it, and then my sister made a temporary call out of the situation. One of us shunned the non-believer, as she would say. Now it's time to find some dinner. And there was lots of options, but the problem was a lot of places were closing, so we were pressed for time. But at least a lot of stores were open, so that kind of let me know what our options were. The kids decided on hot dogs, slushy, and a pizza. And yeah, here's some more options when you're at Rehoboth Beach. That's open around 9. And of course, I ate up some of my time being in this store because duh, you see Hello Kitty and Pokemon. And then we had these really cool socks. So cool. Very raunchy socks. And then me and my sister decided to explore on our own. And we found a place called Freddy's, which there's a place called Freddy's in Virginia. So I wonder if this is a franchise. And y'all, the drinks were in, but the food, something about these chicken tenders and mozzarella sticks were hitting. I mean, the cheese was cheesing. The crispy chicken tenders were crispy. The honey mustard, oh my God, the honey mustard. Just like the honey mustard pretzels. Dumbo, we found Dumbo in the candy store, and I definitely encourage my sister to get it because it's a specialty find. Then we was gonna make a trip towards the water, cause like why not? But then my sister started saying eerie stuff, and I was like, yeah, never mind. You're right. Let's turn back. So then we started exploring again, and we went to this gelato spot. And the gelato spot has so many flavors, and I definitely was obnoxious and tried a lot of flavors to narrow down what I actually wanted, because this was definitely getting added to the list. They also had different pie slices and muffins. And this was the fit. Yeah. So back to gelato. This is the flavor I ended up getting. And my sister ended up getting cake batter. I ended up getting like a mint chocolate chip. And then we saw this Christmas spirit store, and we was like, okay, we definitely gotta take the kids here when we return. And then we found this party place where it's like a bar, but people be doing karaoke and partying. So that became the moves for the next day. Speaking of the next day, here we are. And this is the bathing suit for a full beach day, where we're going to be there from basically like 11 into 6 o'clock. And this is what we woke up to. Gorgeous, right? Sun-kissed. Just sun-kissed. And this was like the cover up that I got. Starting to use them more often. Again, the views, majestic, really gave resort vibes. And then my sister started being silly because it was the morning, and we just like started exploring things, including the pool. Remember that pool from earlier? We had decided to like actually check it out. And we had actually, had like a content moment, started doing some content, put our feet in it, what you were about to see. Let's get breakfast. Isn't it convenient that we can just like walk? So yeah, we ate here for breakfast. And they had the typical breakfast food, but everything actually was really good and seasoned. I was really blown away with how seasoned and like flavorful most food was at Rehoboth Beach. We end up getting some umbrellas and chairs. Shout out to my mom, and we got this man to do that. Love delegating work. So he made our life easier. Love when my life is made easier. So we got to just relax on the beach, real bougie. And at some point I was by myself, so just wanted to enjoy the vibes and be cute. My sister finally came around, and that's who recorded that scene. And yeah, again, just a full day at the beach. Not cold, it's hot, but it's not like scorching hot. The water is decent. And my mom's outside in the water. These family moments right here, just beautiful. He just kept throwing himself into the sand and water. He loved every moment of that. And this moment right here, I thought it was so cute with my mom and my sister dancing. These are my kids enjoying themselves. And selfie video time. Look at them. And then we had some chicken and some good chicken tenders for breakfast. I said breakfast, lunch. Selfie time with my sister. This is our shadows doing our little dance. Little dancey dance. This was for a content piece, but I don't remember what it was for. This is the poolside, because after we rented the umbrellas, they took them around 5, 6. So we was like, yeah, back to these chairs. Went over to the poolside and let the kids get into the pool water. Because we can go to the beach and the pool. I'm telling you, my mom has tripled my bougie. So then we decided to go on the boardwalk and explore around the early evening. And we walked all the way down and we ran into kind of like an arcade amusement park situation. So yeah, we end up getting a few tickets so the kids can go on a few rides and just enjoy this little area. It was very overstimulating though. Given that we were at the beach all day, I was in a relaxed state. And then this, but yeah, my daughter went on the seahorse. Good old sea dragon. And my son really wanted to go on the airplane. So if that's what he wanted to do, that's what he did. Then he wanted to get in the car ride. So y'all about to see him have super much fun on the car ride. It was just cute seeing him enjoy himself and have fun. I didn't expect it to go so fast. This is a sped up video, but naturally it was going decently fast. So this is nighttime. Kids are back in the room with my mom, and me and my sister's out exploring. And yeah, I see these different things. Of course, Hello Kitty. My sister treated me to crab roll and my lobster bisque. We saw Peppa Pig at another candy shop, Cricket Candy, which was kind of wild. So yeah, we went to the different shops, explored a little bit more, found a really cool comic book store that was advertising a con, and then we went to the club where they did the karaoke. This is day 3, fresh morning. And today we just actually went shopping and got ready to get on the road. If you are still watching, thank you. Like and subscribe if you like this type of vloggy content, especially for travel. And yeah, this is your go ahead to book a trip to Rehoboth. It was actually worth it. I enjoyed myself. The kids enjoyed themselves. There was lots of cool shopping stuff. And yeah, as you can see, got some Ritas, got some new Bohemian skirts. I even got some elote corn. Yeah, this was a great fun time. So check out Rehoboth Beach for yourself. and continue watching the video until the end. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you later.